Happy birthday to my incredible CEO, broker, brother, amahan sa kunay panabang, and best friends forever, Sir J. Mark Tapin, and to your family. Words can express how grateful I am to have you in my life. Your guidance, support, and friendship mean the world to me. Wishing you a birthday as amazing as you are. Love you, sir. Thank you. Bye.
Happy birthday to a boss who is not just a leader, but a true inspiration. Your dedication in excellence, compassion in leadership, and commitment to the team growth have not only driven our success, but only made our wonderful place an enjoyable, meaningful place. In this special day of yours, may God's amazing love be with you and make you the recipient of the most wonderful of your life. On behalf of Brilliant and Polvar family, together with the RLW team, we wish you a happy birthday, boss. Salamat kanunay, Sir Tignan.
Happy birthday, Sir Jay. Salamat sa imong kaayo sa amo, sir, sa imong mga agent, sa tanan nga membro sa imong realty. Salamat kayo sa imong pagtagad sa amo. And sa imong kabuutan, sa tanan nga mga appreciation, tanan, thank you kayo, Sir Jay. And happy birthday, more birthdays to come, always good health, and more success, and we wish you all the best, and happy birthday. Happy birthday, Sir Jay, Maglanas, family. Have a good day, Sir Jay. Happy birthday.
Hi, Sir Jay. I just want to greet you a happy birthday, and my wish for you is you will have a happy life, blessed family, and wealthy family. So, here's for more years for to our gushing treasure realty and more sales. So, once again, sir, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Sir JM. Um, may the Lord bless you more with your family and good health, sir. And untana daghan pag mga opportunities nga moabot sa imong life, and more answered prayer sa imong family, and I pray pod nga daghan pa kag natabangan labi na sa mga family nga walang-wala gyud kaya sa amo. Sir, pasalamat kay mi sir tungod sa imo kay kanang itagaan mi nimo og opportunities as kami mga agent. Sir, bless kayo mi kay ikaw among boss. Sir, happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Hi, Sir JM! Happy birthday! Hello, sir. Salamat kayo sa tanan na mo. Sa kamaayo. Salamat na hindi ka magbago. And I wish you good health permanently. Kawan sa iyong pamilya.
Hi, Sir JM. Salamat sa tanan, sir, sa guidance. And God bless. Enjoy your day.
Hi, sir. Happy birthday.
More close deal, sir, sa atong realty.
Hiya! Happy birthday to you! Thank you for being there always to us, emotionally, spiritually, and financially management, especially in all areas in our lives. Thank you kay for how many years nakasama always nag-support and nag-guide. And thank you nga dili mi maabot sa dali nga level na mo sa among relationship in sa among kinabuhi kung wala pud ka sa among kinabuhi na guide.
Salamat din sa mga kinabuhi na ang leader sa mga even family and a friend. Ano kay example para sa mga how to live a Christian life, how to live mag-serve sa Ginoo, ay kang dasig para sa mga na kung mawali mo faith, mas faithful ka sa Ginoo.
And I also declare peace and healing in hearts, mind, in all your life. And kung unsa man na nga wala sa imuha, balik sa imuha 100 folds. We love you! Kami tulo ni Zion. And happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Kuya JM. Thank you for your unconditional love and care to us. We love you and God bless you. Thank you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday from
life ya. Then nahimo kang kuan na panalangin sa mua kanang bisag kami nga mga disciple nimo, kami mga laki napanalanginan mi sa imong kinabuhi. So happy birthday enjoy your day. I hope of pray nga tagan ka ni Lord of healthy and good body.
Happy birthday, J-Mark. Salamat sa imong kinabuhi. Dili nga our CEO, our leader, our one of our spiritual leader. Nahimo ka nga blessing sa tanang tao. Salamat kayo. I declare more pa nga blessing nga ihatag ni Lord sa imong good health always o protection.
Thank you for your life. We love you.